Have you ever wondered why hiccups suddenly strike? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle beneath your lungs, suddenly contracts or spasms without warning. This quick contraction forces air into your throat, making your vocal cords snap shut and create that familiar hic sound. Common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even a rapid change in temperature. While usually harmless, hiccups are your body's way of telling you the diaphragm is irritated. Remember, slow down while eating and drinking to help prevent them.